This video shows how to replace the graphics card. First of all, you need to take out all the cables from the back, especially the power cable. Once you have unlocked the case, you should ground yourself using an anti-static wrist strap. Then you can take the front and the side panel off. Next, you need to unlock and remove the expansion slot covers. Select the graphics card and insert the card into the slot until it is firmly in place. Add any additional slot covers and lock into place. And secure the card in place with a screw. After this, replace the sachet covers, first the side, then the front. Finally, reconnect all the cables including the power supply and switch on. Install the software with the installation CD which is supplied with the graphics card. Once the installation is completed, you are done and the graphics card will be in use.